Hey, so welcome back everyone, I'm back with another video. Today we're finna go fishing in the middle of the city, try to catch us with fish at this one creek I found on Google Maps. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Leave a like down below, subscribe. Yeah, see y'all there. I see a carp. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all saw that. There's a big carp right there. Oh, it's just right there. He's right there. He's right there. I see a big one. That's a big carp. Big carp. Talk about some big carp. That's a big carp.
A few moments later.
I don't know where it went now. Wait, oh, I see him. Son dos. Oh, I scared them. Damn it. I scared them. There was two carp. I ain't playing either. There was two carp. Two big carp. You got one. What the hell? Wait, what you got? Oh, he got some largey. Oh crap. He got some largey. Yes, sir. Tell you. Nice first fish. I thought it was a carp. I was about to say, damn.